This 2004 Fleetwood Pace Aero MTRH is a Class A RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 3 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 80 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features front living area, rear bedroom. This 2004 Fleetwood Pace Aero MTRH is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.